Updating your legal name on CoinEx is an important step to ensure that your account information is accurate. Follow these steps to complete the process quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your CoinEx account by entering your credentials on the official website. Make sure you are using a secure connection. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard under your profile icon. Step 3. Select Identity Verification. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit name change requests. Look for the option to update your legal name. Fill in the required fields with your new name and provide any necessary documentation such as a government-issued ID or legal name change certificate. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from CoinEx. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the update of your legal name. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on CoinEx should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.